Message to guardians, Assalam o alaikum, I Abul Kalam. Share my words with all you. You people must have admitted your children to this school that is frugal English at Lutbagan Kamarhati Kol 58 after thinking something. Our school team also thinks about maintaining the reputation of the school. For this, it is necessary that children become sharp, whether it is a field of the education, sports, or the field of facing any challenges. That children become sharp in everything. For this, our school holds a separate education system like cooperative learning system, teamwork system, think, pair, and share. Apart from this, there is a multi-gym, computer learning, spoken English programs for our students. Our aim, object, and guideline of our school team is to make the students successful in every field of life, morally, mentally, and physically. For this, your support and blessings are much needed.